Hi, Claire here from Inky Inspiration. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Today's card that I'm going to show you how to make is this gorgeous trellis card, and I am personally using the stamp and the sentiment set from the Papercraft Society box number 60, but this will work with anything really. It looks absolutely lovely with flowers and birds. So I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to begin with a sheet of card which measures 5.5 by 6.5. Take your scoreboard, and on the long side you want to score it at 5.5 and turn that over. You then want 2 strips of card which measure 1/2 inch by 5.25. So on the inside here I want you to put a mark at 1/2 inch and one at 1.5 inch, and then you're just going to bob a little bit of glue on the inside of this and line it up so the edge is on that 1/2 inch mark, and then you're going to do exactly the same at the next one. And that forms the basis of which you're going to put your trellis in. Just try and get it straight as you can. Don't worry if they don't come right to the bottom of your base, because you've used your liquid glue, and you can just give it a little tug and get it where you want it. I've then got 5 strips which are 1/2 inch by 2 3/4, and now it's up to you. You might want to put them on so that they're both on top of the struts that you've already put down. I want one to go under, one to go over, so I'm going to put a bit of glue on the top of this one here, and I don't want it to go right to the edge. I want this to have a little bit of an inset, but again, do whatever you want, artistic license. And then a little bit of glue on the back of this one so that it looks a little bit like a basket weave. And I'm going to do that all the way down. I will speed this up, otherwise you'll be here all day watching me do this bit. That is a little bit tedious, just go steady and just try and line up as you go along. So your mat to go inside is 5 by 5. Now when I did this, I planned to use the papers out of the Papercraft Society box, which I believe is box 60, because I was using their stamp set. However, I got a bit carried away colouring up my bird, and my bird totally doesn't go with any of the beautiful papers in the box. So we've gone for a piece of teal. This is just a works paper. So I'm going to decide where I want my bird, and I've also stamped my sentiment which says "Have a beautiful day." That's using some Memento grape jelly, and I've just put that on a bit of teal. That's going to pop up here, so I just want to get a feel for where things are going to go. I think that's probably going to go about there. And then I'm just going to put some of these little gems that again come from Papercraft Society on each of the trellis crossings. I then finish the top off with some Nouveau drops. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.